Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque D200 R-Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Nolita Grey. Starting our journey from the front of this vehicle, where we will find the premium LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. Cascading along the sides, we'll see further features, all a courtesy of the R-Dynamic exterior pack, as it sits with utmost pride on a set of 20-inch diamond-turned alloy wheels. To the rear, you'll also see your privacy glass, which will ensure all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as your sleek look of your rear LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate, which can also be done via the key, will reveal a vast and versatile amount of boot space, making this vehicle perfect for a week's worth of luggage, shopping, a pram, or even a canine companion. To the rear, passengers are certainly going to enjoy their ebony perforated Windsor leather seats and their own climate control systems, and glimpsing into the cockpit reveals your 14-way heated electric driver memory front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Taking a closer look now at your leather-heated multifunctional steering wheel, which harbours a sleek design with a wide array of features at your disposal. Advancing over to your PV Pro touchscreens, which are fully interactive, feature Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and can provide great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings. Finalising our journey, we look up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof, which will engross this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque, which we now have available here at our dealership. Thank you for watching, and we cannot wait to help you find your next Land Rover.